Hey guys, welcome to another episode on my channel. So today we are going to continue our story about ComfyUI and Stable Diffusion, and we are going to talk about inpainting. So what inpainting actually is, it's a technique that is going to allow you to change some element of the image. For example, you don't like eyes on the person, you can change its color, its shape and everything else. Or if some person has blonde hair, you can change it into red or black, or into whatever you get in your mind. And in order to use this technique, go to Manager, go to Custom Nodes Manager, and search for Inpainting, and install this node. ComfyUI Inpaint, Crop and Stitch. You are going to need this node. And one more thing, we need a model. Well, for inpainting you need specific model. You cannot use any model. So that model needs to be for inpainting. Model Manager, and in here I'm going to search for Inpainting. You have some options in here. For example, I am using one node that I have downloaded from CivitAI, and if you download model in that way, you will have to set it in model inpainting folder in order for all of this to work. And now I'm going to close this. First I'm going to load checkpoint. And I'm going to load this Juggernaut XL version X Inpaint. Of course, I'm going to need clips, clip text encode for positive prompt, and one more for negative prompt. And from model, I'm going to create key sampler. Need to make some more space in here, like this. Now I'm going to load some image. For example, in here, load image, and let me check some of these images that I have. I'm going to take this one, this cartoonish Pixar Disney style. I'm going to download it. And now what we can do in here. Let's say that I want to change this into some horror vibe. I'm going to click on right click, open in mask editor. Now whatever I masked is going to become subject of inpainting, and in here you can regulate thickness of your masking, opacity, smooth and precision, color, whatever. So this is not complicated part, so you are free to experiment with all of this. And I'm going to mask only these eyes, and I want to turn it into red. After you have done with masking, click on save, and there is not properly done, but doesn't matter, you are going to see the result anyway. Okay, now I'm going to take this image and I'm going to search for node, inpaint, inpaint crop. I'm just going to find it. Crop improved. Yeah, it's this one. Okay. So in here, what is important? It's important to set right resolution. So I'm going to set it to 1024 by 720. All right. And everything else is totally fine. And now in order to apply this mask, we need another node, Inpaint Model Conditioning. We need this one, and we need to pass this positive prompt, we need to pass this negative prompt. From here we are going to pass cropped image to pixels, and cropped mask to mask. And now encoding model. I'm not going to use this model, I'm going to load another model for encoding. For example, in here I'm going to load that model. Let's see what I have in here. I'm going to take this one. you have to make sure that you are using SDXL encoding model for this purpose. In my case, this model is also downloaded from CVT.ai, and the name of this model is AI Art Lab SDXL VAE. Okay. Now, from Inpaint model conditioning, I'm going to provide positive prompt, negative prompt, and latent image. All right. Then in here, of course, we are going to use a decoder, and we need this decoder model. And in order to patch everything together from image, we are going to search another node, Inpaint Stitch, yeah, this one, Inpaint Stitch Improved. So from image to Inpaint image and Stitcher, we are going to connect with Stitcher from Inpaint crop. Alright, I'm going to connect these two, and finally we are going to use review image. Okay, and now in positive prompt I'm going to write red eyes horror vibe, and negative bad quality. I believe that this is going to solve our problems. If my result is not satisfying, I'm going to check for better prompting on ChatGPT. But let's try like this for now. Alright, I'm going to run this, and let's see what we are going to get. Oh, I forgot to set this e-ruler and scheduler. Okay, we are going to see a result, and then we are going to act accordingly. Give it some time in order to finish this. Yeah, this is what I forgot. Image to image, mask to mask. Both of these noodles have to be connected. Okay, my mistake. Let's try once again. Yeah, well, we could do much better, but I have exactly what I asked for. Red eyes. So guys, you understand how this works. You are going to get better results with better prompts, but basically that's it. There is no reason to overcomplicate with explanations. So I hope that you learned something new and interesting, so please like, subscribe, and see ya!